This video demonstrates the installation of MediaShow on Windows 10. First, you'll want to uninstall any previous versions by removing the program in the Settings, Apps and Features section. Select MediaShow from the list of apps and then choose Uninstall. Windows may show a warning of a publisher unknown, but just select Yes to continue. Once it's uninstalled, go to eplanetarium.com and download the latest version of MediaShow. You'll find it under Products, Software, MediaShow. The description page has a button for downloading, and then locate the Windows EXE installer on the page and download it to your computer. Once it's downloaded, just run the installer. If Windows warns about an unrecognized application, select More Info and then Run anyway. When installing, you may also get another unknown publisher warning. Just select Yes to allow the installation. Now your MediaShow installation is complete. The MediaShow apps and PDF manual are located in your Program Files x86 directory. And the MediaShow data, button sets, and media are installed in Users Public MediaShow. MediaShow Pro and MediaShow Mirror can both be found in the Windows Start menu. Enjoy using MediaShow on your planetarium system.